Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can digital image on Photoshop. So I'm just going to try to just select the outfit. You can use anything you want here. You can use this tool, the magic wand tool, quick selection tool, object selection tool. It's a little bit difficult to use, but I actually really like to use the pen tool. So for instance, I want to change the person's let's do lip color, because if I try to change the color for sure it's going to take forever to do. Let me see. Pen tool. Just going to zoom in a little bit and I'm going to trace her lips. I'm trying to do this as neatly as I can, but I know I'm on like a time crunch here. So we're going to select that, make selection, and I am going to go to image, and then let's go to adjustments and go to color balance to change the color of her lip. As you can see, I want to make it a little bit more red. I'm just going to adjust that. Press OK, and then I'm just going to go to image and then go to adjustments again, and then brightness and contrast. I'm just going to adjust the brightness a little bit because I want it to be quite like a dark red. Then press OK, and then as you can see, her lip color definitely changed. You can also do it for eyes and stuff like that, and you can also like add in, I don't know, like make really cool edits by, for instance, just grabbing her eyes. This is just an example, by the way. Obviously, you're going to do it neater than I am. I'm just trying to like make stuff as I go. Selection, press OK. And I'm just going to copy and paste that. And I'm just going to like bring it here. And then I'm just going to use like an eraser tool here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller to kind of, like mix it in with the rest of the features. I'll make the opacity a little bit bigger than that. So I'm just trying to like erase the like edges to blend it in more with the photo. Oops. Sorry. It's a little bit creepy, I know, but I really have no ideas to make. Something like that. And you can make it bigger, you can kind of rotate it, and like add it to the cheeks or something. I don't know. It's totally up to you what you want to do. And I'm just going to copy and paste that and kind of flip that. Press done. Then you can add that there. You can do anything basically that your heart desires what you want to Photoshop. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.